Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm sharing some new releases from Maniology. They've come out with some new stamping kits for spring and they are adorable. Look at the cute bags they're in. So in this video, I will be sharing each kit, and at the end, I will do a nail design with one of them. So stick around for that as well. So let's get started. So the first kit is kit box 504, and this one is the Pot of Gold nail stamping bundle. So I'm going to move these other kits aside and we'll look at those when we're done this one. Love their packaging. It is always so nice. So with this bundle, the Pot of Gold one, you're gonna get, I will show you here. So you get a stamping polish, and this one is a Jack B361. It's a pretty, it looks like a nice gold or a rose gold. And you can stamp on here to have your swatches. So you can stamp on the white and the black, and then you'll see what this color looks like for either one. I like that they have these on top. And also in this kit is this green. And this one is Optimism B399. Perfect green. You'll see why in a minute. And it comes with a stamper and a scraper set. So we'll open this up and take a look at it. So this says on top here, Spring LE Ice Cube Stamper. So there's the cute little scraper you get. And I'll pull out the stamper. How cute is that? There's the lid. And they have the nicest stampers. They work really well. Very squishy and soft. Perfect stamper. And it says, if you can see that, Maniology on the side. And then the actual stamping plate. It's right there, the number. So this is absolutely adorable. So this is a St. Patty's Day, St. Patrick's Day stamping plate, and it does have the blue film on to protect it. I'm actually going to remove it so you can see it better. So you just need a tweezer, I find works best. So there it is. How cute is that? The little, this says St. Patty's on it. This is a really cute plate. I really like these. And it has some smaller designs. And there's the clover leaf. And there's a little bell. Just really, really cute. So hit the notification bell for my channel, because next week I'm going to do some St. Patrick's Day nails on a client, and I will use this actual plate. So I won't be using this one in this video, but if you do hit that notification bell, then you won't miss the video I do next week. It's going to be a fill, a hard gel fill on a client, and then we'll use, like I said, this plate on her. I'm not sure what we'll be using yet, but I know she wants to use it, so we're going to be doing that. I also will have all of the links for every kit down in the description, and I do have a coupon code. You can see that up on the screen. That will be down in the description as well to save you some money if you do want to buy one of these kits or all of them. They're really cute anyways. So let's look at the next kit. So the next one is called Garden Egg Hunt. Again, a cute bag it comes in. So you're going to get the same scraper again and stamper as the last kit. This one has more polishes. It says beginnings on here. So let's open it up and I'll show you the colors that come with this kit. So the first one, oh, what really nice, kind of a grayish blue. And this one is called Awaken B465. Really nice pink for spring. And this one is Blossom B466. And the last one, I want a really pretty purple for spring. And this one is Flourish B467. Okay, let's look at this stamping plate. Back of it. And I like how they do give instructions how to stamp on the back of their stamping plate, so that's nice. Love their packaging. I already said that, but I really do. They have the nicest packaging. Okay, I'm just going to remove that blue film just so you can see it better. Oh my goodness, how adorable is this? This is definitely an Easter one. Just really, really cute. The little bunnies, the little bunny faces that you can do. Oh my goodness, I just love it. Isn't it adorable? It's the perfect Easter stamping plate. So cute. So that's that kit. So the last kit, this one is called the Frenchie Spring Stamping Bundle. So again, you get that nice scraper and stamper. Stamping plate and polishes. This one says beginnings again. If I remember correctly, this is the same stamping polishes as the last one. So I'll just show you just to refresh what you get in this one, because this is a totally different kit. So you're getting that nice bluish gray again. I'd say it's more gray than anything. And then you're getting the pretty pink. And then a really nice purple. And now we're going to look at the stamping plate. So there's the stamping plate, and I can see why they call it Frenchie Spring. It's so cute. So you could do these as just a design on, say, a full color, or you could have, like, say, we'll say white, and then on the tips, like a French set, and you can stamp one of these, or you can stamp these without anything below it, like just the color. So I'm going to do a design today using this plate. Now, the Easter plate you just saw, I will be using that in a future video as well, because my clients love doing Easter nails. So we'll definitely be doing that. But For today, I think we're going to use this one and try out the polishes, the scraper, the stamper, and the stamping plate, so I can show you what you can do with this one. I'm excited to try it out. So if you're interested in seeing the design I do, make sure you stick around to watch that, because that's next. I'm going to start the design using Frosé from Daily Charme. It's a pretty sheer pink color, and I'll do 2 coats on these tips. Like I said before, I'm going to use the Frenchie spring bundle, and this is the plate from it, of course, and I'm going to use that design at the top. I like that they have the wider design and the more narrow one, so if you have a wider nail, you can use that design on it as well. And I'm going to choose this color to begin with, and I'm using, of course, the stamper. We want to try that out. It is such a nice little stamper. And from my previous Maniology review, they gave me this cute little remover. So you put the cotton ball at the end. It has the little claws. I love that. It is so cute. And I do have that video in the top right hand corner if you want to see what I reviewed from them before. So there is the scraper, of course, from the kit. So I'm going to use that. And I find with the Maniology stamping polish, I really like it because you have more time than most to do the stamping. You want to just kind of roll the stamper and it works really good, but I find it doesn't dry as quick as some, and I really like that about their stamping polish. So I decided, of course, it's going to be on the tips because this is Frenchie Designs, and I didn't put another color underneath. I like the look of it just like this over the pink, so I'm going to do a couple more to show you how well the stamper works, and rolling it, how well that works as well. And this works perfect for removing the stamping polish off that stamping plate, and I use some 100% acetone to do that, of course. And you will see me wiping the nail before I stamp. It just removes that sticky layer so that the stamp goes on really well. So I'm going to use this smaller design again just to show you. And then picking up that stamper and just rolling it. And there it is again. I did move it up just a little bit higher on the nail, like it's not right at the bottom, as you can see. Just liked it there. So there's another one. I'm gonna do it again. This time I'll use the wider image because the nail is wider. And I do have a lint roller. It's for stamping, just to clean off the stamper. That works really well. So now I can roll it. I do have time, like I said, with this polish, and there it is. It picked up good still. So I do want to say I just love this little stamper, and the plates are adorable. I can't wait to use them on my clients in the next month. I'd say I'll be using them more. And I want to thank Maniology for sending me everything to share with you. And my 10% off code, as well as the links, will be down in the description. I'm going to show you the finished nails right away. I think they turned out so pretty. I love the pink with the bluish kind of gray. It's more blue now that it's on. As you can see, it's so nice. So thanks everybody for watching again. And if you could please like and subscribe, I'd really, really appreciate that. And I will see everybody in the next one.